solo parent and hardworking mom. Let me ask you this. Are you struggling to make relationships work? Have you been chasing the wrong kind of woman? Well, listen carefully because today I am going to reveal why single Filipina mom might be the one who will change your entire love life. If you are smart enough to work it out, this isn't your typical dating story. This is about real love, loyalty, resilience, and a second chance at building a family, not just a fling. In the Philippines, there are countless single moms, not because they choose it, but because life, circumstances, or failed relationships put them in that position. Unlike the stereotype of baggage, these women are battle tested. They know sacrifice, responsibility, and endurance. Many foreigners overlook them, chasing younger, carefree girls. But if you want deep stability and real partnership, a single Filipina mom can give you what those party girls cannot. A woman who raises a child on her own is already showing you the love, loyalty, and strength that most men crave. It can work out because 1. She values commitment. She doesn't have time for games. She wants someone real, responsible, and respectful. 2. Her love is battle tested. A Filipino mom already knows what unconditional love feels like. She gives it daily to her child. If you earn her trust, that same love extends to you. 3. She brings family culture. Filipino values close-knit families, respect for elders, and taking care of each other are deeply ingrained. When you step into her world, you are not just gaining a partner, but a support system. 4. She balances strength and femininity, independent yet caring, strong yet nurturing and enduring. She can fight through hardship but also make a house feel like a home. 5. Her child is a prized gift, not a barrier. Many foreign men fear dating a woman with kids. But think about it. She's already proven she can love and nurture. If you accept her child, you instantly gain a family that is full of love, sacrifice, and harmony. There are challenges. It's not all easy. Dating a single mom means her child comes first. You must accept that. Time management is taught. She juggles work, parenting, and maybe studies. Trust is hard earned. If she was abandoned or hurt before, you'll need patience. The power move is that if you show consistency and kindness, not just to her, but also to her child, you will unlock a level of loyalty most men never experience. Some ways to work it out include 1. Respect her priorities. Don't compete with her child. Support her in being a mom. 2. Show patience. Love may grow slowly, but it will be deeper. 3. Be financially responsible. She's not looking for your wallet, but she needs stability. 4. Build trust gradually. Actions, not words. Consistency matters more than flowers and promises. 5. Integrate into her family. Respect her parents, her relatives, her child. You're not just marrying her, you're joining her world. Love doesn't always come in the perfect package. Sometimes it comes wrapped with challenges, responsibilities, and a child who's already loved before you. But if you can step up, accept the responsibility, and work it out with a single Filipina mom. You may discover the kind of love that isn't just about passion, but about building a life, a home, and a legacy. Think carefully. Are you ready for real love or just chasing illusions? Because the real deal might be waiting for you in the heart of a single Filipina mom. Thank you for subscribing and donating to my channel. I now have Patreon membership for consultation or just chatting. The link is in the video description. We are family. See you next episode.